Hey Fox, how does your day start? Are you an early bird or a late one? Let's have a closer look at these two guys sitting right next to you. Meet Mr. Jack. He's a smart, handsome guy. He's intelligent, hardworking, sincere, and he's a quick learner and a brilliant problem solver too. Yeah, enough about him. And here comes Mr. John. He's as brilliant as Jack. Look, he's handsome as well. He's so calm, smart working, and a systematic guy who completes his task on time. Speaking of time management, these guys have different approach towards it. So let's see how they differ. So who's going to be on the screen first? Come on, Jack. Let's see how John's day progresses.